In this video, I'm going to show how to transfer a file from the command line to the Riviera cluster. I will then log on to the cluster, create a new directory, move the file into the new directory, log out of the cluster, and then transfer the entire directory back to my local machine. In order to do that, we want to start with the SCP command. So we will type SCP. And now I need the path to the file that I want to transfer. So in order to do that, in this case, I can just drag and drop the file into the terminal. And now I need the host name of the account that I want to transfer the file to. So that will be tdemo@riviera.colostate.edu. And I need to specify the path that file is going to be transferred to. So that will be NFS, home, and this user's home directory. It's going to prompt for the password. And again, while I'm typing the password, you will not see characters on the screen. And we can see by the message here that that is transferred successfully. So now I will SSH into the cluster. I will once again be prompted for my password. And I can check the directory contents to ensure that that file did transfer. And you can see random text.txt is on the cluster now. So now I want to create a directory named random with mkdir, then the name, random. Let's check to make sure this is in our home directory now. Okay. And now I can move that file from my home directory to the random directory. So we'll say mv random text.txt to random. Now when I check directory contents again, I see that the file is not in my home directory, and it has successfully been moved to the random directory. So now I can log off of the cluster, and I want to pull the entire directory down from the cluster to my local computer. In order to do that, I'm going to need to do similar syntax that we did in the beginning. I'm going to say SCP, though this time I want to specify the remote host first. So tdemo riviera.colostate.edu. And then we need to specify the location where this directory lives, which will be NFS, home, tdemo, random. One thing that I forgot is that after the SCP, you do need to put an R flag for recursion to get the directory and all of its contents. So now that I've specified the remote host, I need to specify my local host that I need to transfer this to, which is going to be users bill desktop. I'll be prompted for my password. And you can see from the message here that it appears to have transferred successfully. So let's clear the terminal and I will check my desktop. And you can see here I do have random, and I also have the random text file that was originally transferred to the Riviera cluster.